Hey guys, how to copy a Discord server on mobile, right? Or duplicate a server. So in order for this to work out, use your browser, right? Safari or Google Chrome, right? And then go ahead to your server, say this one. And I'm gonna just hit name of the server. You can see server settings, just press it. Okay, scroll a little bit down to find the server template, that the before last option. Right, and I'm gonna flip my screen in order to show you how it's done. Okay, what I'm gonna enter the template name, let's say hi, and add a template description, and afterwards just go ahead and hit generate template. Okay, copy the link of the template and just go ahead to your app. So I'm gonna go back to the normal settings, go back to your screen, go ahead to your Discord, and just go ahead to the chat. Okay, and paste the link that you just copied and send it. Right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit view template, and you're gonna name the server whatever you want. It won't copy your messages or anything, right? But it will make a duplicate of the same server, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit create server. Now I just created identical new server on mobile. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.